Hello, beautiful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Today, I'm going to be showing us how to do homemade facial serum. What we need here: glycerin, rose water, lemon juice, and aloe vera gel. I'm going to add a little bit of rose water, 1 spoon, it's perfectly okay. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice, 1 spoon. Then I'm going to be adding my glycerin. One spoon. Then the last but not the least is aloe vera gel. One spoon. Going to mix it together. This is our facial serum. Very effective. Very effective. Use it 2-3 times a week, then you get a perfect result. How to apply it? How to apply it? You take your cotton bud, you put a little amount of it, then you rub it on your face. You rub it to your face. Then you, at night before you go to bed, you just rub it on your face. Then you go to bed, you sleep. Then when you wake up in the morning, just take a little bit of water and rinse it off. That's it. You see the brightness? You see the difference? You can see it very well. You see the difference? Yeah. You see? Just take a look at it. So, it's very effective. Please, do it. And you see a perfect result. Do it 2-3 times a week, then you will see. If you want to store it, just take a little container. Here's our facial serum. You cover it, then you can keep it for like 1 week. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be seeing more of this beauty tips all the time. And press that notification button. Anytime I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.